Hi guys, it's Ramsey from blogtyrant.com here, and today I've got a very quick video for you on how to start a blog the right way. It might seem like a simple thing to do, but there are a lot of platforms to choose from, and the platform that you choose in the beginning can have a huge effect on things like whether you can make money from your blog, whether you can add a shop to it, the customizations you can make. So if you're planning on starting a blogging career, or you're using blogging for business, or you've just got a hobby blog that you want to take seriously, I've got a few tips for you about the best way to get started so that you can maximize your chances of success with your new project. Let's take a look. Okay guys, so what we've got here is a little summary of some of the more popular blogging platform options. On the left hand side here you'll see WordPress, which is the self-hosted version where you buy your own host and install the free WordPress script yourself, which I think is the best option. It's the most powerful option, gives you the best options and customization ability, and you fully own and control your blog. Then we go down to Squarespace, which builds beautiful websites. They're really big at the moment. Tumblr, which is kind of like a blogging / social media site. And then WordPress.com, which is WordPress's free blogging platform that they host themselves, that also has some paid versions available as well if you want more features. So what I've got here is just like a little breakdown of the basic features, how much it'll cost you to get started. You know, if you look at WordPress, the self-hosted version, you'll need your own host, but that can start at $275 a month for your first year. Whereas if you look at Squarespace, the plans start at $16 a month on the very basic, which doesn't give you access to plugins. And again, we go back up to WordPress here and we can look in the plugins column and see they've got 30,000 free and paid plugins available on the WordPress platform, which let you change your site, change your blog, do things like add a mailing list or social media icons or a sharing feature and functionality, or you can add a shop, all sorts of things. But with Squarespace, you don't really get that. They have their own features that are great, but it can be a little bit limiting if you want to customize and change your blog or your website over time. Tumblr doesn't really have any at all. It's more like a social media site. And on WordPress.com, you have to upgrade to the most expensive business plan if you want to access the plugins. So I'm going to link to this graphic below the video if you want to have a more detailed look. But as always, do your research and check out all the platforms yourself if you want to see what features might suit you best. But in my opinion, it's the WordPress self-hosted blog that gives you the best balance of power, price, customization ability. That's really the best place that you want to start a blog.